Sir,
सदस्य
I thank the young and energetic minister for his giving an honest answer, saying that 6 airports built at a cost of 5,260 crores has been handed over to private parties. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister if the name of such private party is Adani, and if so, whether they are being given any further airports to bolster their kitty. I would like an honest answer. Please, you are disturbing the minister. He is replying. What is this?
please.
Whether the name of the 6 concessionaires is Adani, and whether they are being given any further airports for their benefit.
Sir, the answer to the question that he asked is yes. And what he has mentioned, that 5,260 crores, which has gone into the investment into those infrastructure of the airports, which has been leased out, that has been already given back to the Airport Authority of India also, sir.
माननीय सदस्य नो
Sir,
देश में सब पारदर्शी तरीके से होता है सर।
Sir, I asked a simple question, not a complicated question. Is as to who these 6 airports were given to. The minister is very intelligent. He has skirted the question.
Okay, Manim-
Now my question comes now. Actually, you may know that the Niti Aayog and the Department of Economic Affairs, they had recommended that not more than 2 airports to the same entity should be given. Now, with this 6 airports, the total number of airports in the Adani kitty becomes 8, including the Mumbai airport, which they obtained at gunpoint.
माननीय मंत्री जी
Now, sir, my question.
क्वेश्चन हो गया आपका।
Let me formulate the question. I want to know, and I may say that workers in all these airports opposed the privatization.
माननीय मंत्री जी
Sir, earlier,
अब
Kolkata and
I'll answer,
Chennai.
Sir, in terms of intelligence, I can't compete with the honorable senior member of the house. He has asked a very simple question. I have answered it very, very simply only, sir. And when it comes to the question that he is answering right now, I'm answering the question only. Why?
आप उनका जवाब
You
दे
already
दीजिए।
done it. I've answered it. You already done it. I've answered the question also. Sir, when he talks about Department of Expenditure, Economic Affairs, mentioning it, it is totally false, sir, and it does not arise also. It does not arise also. Niti Aayog also, I'm just mentioning the point why it does not arise in this case, because when the leasing out of these airports happened, sir, a thorough process was followed. And empowered group of Dada सुन लीजिए, उसके बाद you can ask if you want. Sir, when this whole leasing of these 6 airports was done, an empowered group of secretaries, EGOS, was also formed. And who was heading this EGOS? He was the CEO of Niti Aayog, and the Department of Economic Affairs secretary was part of that. When all these peoples were part of the EGOS only, where does the point come that they were opposing this thing? So there was no reason at that. A thorough, competitive, transparent bidding process was done for leasing out of this airport. So whatever the member is saying is wild allegations, sir. There is no fact in all of that.
अनुराग ठाकुर जी
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं तो इतना ही मुझे अब सवाल नहीं पूछना क्योंकि माननीय मंत्री जी ने उत्तर दे दिया है।
ओके।
और बहुत स्पष्टता से उत्तर दिया कि बिडिंग जो हुई बड़ी ट्रांसपेरेंट तरीके से हुई और इसमें कोई सवाल ही खड़ा नहीं होता, लेकिन केवल प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़े करना एक आदत सी बन गई है।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1463 दुष्यंत सिंह जी, आप जो एक मिनट मंत्री जी प्लीज मंत्री जवाब
सर, एक तो है ये ये सरकार इससे भागने वाली नहीं है सर, सीधा सीधा उत्तर देंगे, जो भी अगर ठीक से पूछेंगे तो उसका सीधा उत्तर देंगे। उन्होंने एक और विषय भी उठाया था कि एम्प्लॉइज ने भी इसका विरोध किया था। ये भी बिल्कुल होने के कोई संभावना नहीं है सर। एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के पास जब ये एयरपोर्ट्स थे तो एक क्लॉज भी है कि 3 साल तक ये एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी के एम्प्लॉइज को उसपे से 60% को जो ये कंसेशनर है जो ऑपरेट करेगा, मेंटेन करेगा एयरपोर्ट को, 60% दे कैन रिटेन इट टू देम। And if they are not retained, if the retainment is not possible, then they can come back to, they are with the AI only. All are with the AI only. Nobody is losing their jobs. So there is no reason for anyone to be afraid कि ये leasing पे जा रहा है तो हमारे ये नौकरी का क्या होगा। सब कायम है सर। जिनको जो ये प्राइवेट ये ऑपरेटर के पास जाना है वो जा सकते हैं, नहीं तो एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी के पास ही है। तो कोई उनके नौकरी के बारे में किसी ने विरोध करने की कोई संभावना इसमें नहीं है सर।
Question number 146, Dushan Singh ji.